The patella. The patella is the largest sesamoid bone, ossified from the tendon of the quadriceps femoris. The patella situated in front of the knee joint, so it is also called the kneecap. The oval line or outline of the patella is triangular. So there is a apex, a base or a upper border, the anterior surface, the posterior articular surface, and the two border, the medial border and the lateral border. It will be determined after the side determining point. Okay, then the point for the side determination. The apex will be in the lower end. The base or upper border will be above. The articular surface will be in the posteriorly. And see that the posterior articular surface, there is a vertical ridge. The vertical ridge divide the posterior articular surface into two parts, the small part and a large part. The small part is medial and the large, which is large part, this is the lateral part. So this border is the medial border and this border is the lateral border. So the apex will be in the lower, the base will be in the upper, the articular surface will be posterior, the broad part of the articular part is the lateral. So this patella is the right sided patella. For the attachment, in the apex there is attachment of the ligamentum patelli, which is also attached to the tubercle of the tibia. In the base or in the upper border, there is for the attachment from anterior to posterior. The anterior, there is the attachment of rectus femoris, then the vastus medialis and the vastus lateralis in a same horizontal plane, the posterior, the vastus intermedius. So from anterior to posterior, the rectus femoris, the vastus medialis and the vastus lateralis and the vastus intermedius. In the upper border, there is for the attachment of the vastus medialis is 1/3, the vastus medialis is the 1/3 and the vastus lateralis is 2/3 in the upper border. But in the medial border, the attachment of the vastus medialis is 2/3 and the vastus lateralis is 1/3. This is because when the knee is in the extension position, the natural phenomenon of the patella, it goes toward the upward and slightly lateral inclination. So prevent the lateral displacement of the patella and fixed it in its position, there is more attachment in the medial border of the vastus medialis. So the vastus medialis exerts more traction to prevent the lateral displacement of the patella. So in the medial border, the upper 2/3 is the vastus medialis and the lower 1/3 is the medial patellar retinaculum. In the lower border, the upper 1/3 is the vastus lateralis and the lower part is the lateral patellar retinaculum. Then the anterior surface. The anterior surface is subcutaneous. The anterior surface, there is attachment of the superficial fiber of the tendon of the quadriceps femoris muscle, and in the anterior surface there is ridge. This ridge is for the ossified fiber of the quadriceps femoris muscle. There is pre-patellar bursa in between the skin and the patella. In the posteriorly, this posterior articular surface is for the attachment of the femur. So in the posterior surface, the posteriorly there is a vertical ridge. The vertical ridge divide the posterior articular surface into a medial surface and a lateral surface. Okay. Then the rest part of the patella and the rest part of the femur will be discussed tomorrow. Thank you.